I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Mac's remote access so you can connect from Windows. On the Mac, turn on remote login or screen sharing and create a user with a strong password. This gives you secure access. On Windows, install a VNC client or Microsoft Remote Desktop and save the Mac's IP and credentials. Once done, test a local connection on the same network to confirm settings before moving to remote access. This helps isolate network issues early. You now connect and optimize for real use. Enter the Mac's IP, hostname, or dynamic DNS into the client and authenticate. This opens the Mac desktop in a window. If it feels slow, lower resolution and color depth, or enable compression. This trades quality for speed and reduces lag. Make sure clipboard and file transfer are enabled so you can copy text and move files. These small tweaks let you work smoothly without constantly switching machines. You're finishing the session and resolving common problems. When done, lock or log out of the Mac to protect your account and enable Wacom LAN if you need remote wake-ups. If you can't connect, check the Mac's IP, firewall rules, VPN status, and that credentials are correct. These are the usual culprits. If issues persist, restart the screen sharing or remote login service or reboot the Mac. This often clears hung processes and restores a clean connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.